Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D complex model in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Here go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the exit plane, this will be the top plane, rotate, take the circle command. From the center point, make one circle here and from same center make another circle. Now here make one profile this side of same diameters. Now here go to dimension, define this outer dimension here as 50 dia, okay, and internal as 25 dia. Similarly here this outer 50 dia and the inner one will be 25 dia. Now the center to center distance of both the circles here will be of 115 mm, okay. Now take the horizontal constraint, select the center point and select the center point. Now finish sketch. Now take the extrude command, select this inner profile and select this outer profile. Here take extrude of 45 mm, okay. Now press OK. Now we are going to extrude the second one. First go to plane, take offset from plane, go to origin and we will select this top plane, the exit plane. The offset distance of new plane will be 105 mm, okay. Now press OK. Go to extrude 1, select sketch 1, turn on the visibility. Now select this top plane, go to create sketch, rotate the profile. Here take project geometry and project this outer circle. Finish sketch, take extrude command and extrude this profile. This is going upside, so we'll flip the direction, and here this will also be of 45 mm and press OK. Okay, now go to sketch 1, turn off the visibility. Now here go to part 2, we will construct this joining profile, okay. Go to part 3 and here we will select the middle plane, the XY plane, go to create sketch and here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now go to sketch, take the line command, make here the center line, okay, and one center line of this profile, okay, and escape. Now here select, go to project geometry, project this profile and this profile, escape, select these complete profiles, make them construction, okay. Now go to line and here take the line command from here, one here and till this point, and one here, one joining profile this, on this joining profile till here and this closed profile. Now go to dimension, define this dimension as 9 mm, this, okay, escape, go to dimension again, this also as 9 mm, okay, and go to parallel constraint, select this line, select this line, so they are parallel to each other. Now go to dimension, define this also as 9 mm, okay. Now from top this will be at 9 and here also from top this will be at 9 mm, okay. Now this dimension from top will be 32 and here this bottom one will also be 32 mm, okay. So these are the all dimensions. Now finish sketch, take extrude command, here we will take symmetric extrude and the dimension here will be of 50 mm. This will be a joining profile, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges, rotate, here you can see the profile. Now press OK. Now here we are going to construct go to part 2, You're going to construct this whole profile. Okay, go to part 3, go to XY plane, go to create sketch, go to view again, change visual style to wireframe. Go to sketch, take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 25 and other circle here of diameter 25. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point. Similarly, select here and select here. Now go to dimension. The dimension from the base till the center point will be of 13 mm. Okay. Similarly, here till the center point, this will be 13 mm. Okay. A small gap is being left. Now finish sketch. Take 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here take extrude of 30 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here we are going to make the whole profiles. Go to view, visual style, change it to shade with edges. Select this plane. From here right click, turn off the visibility. Now take sketch 1, turn on the visibility of sketch 1. Take 3D model, take extrude, select this diet 25 and here also diet 25. Here we are taking cut, flip the direction and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now select sketch 1, turn off the visibility. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take here point command, select center point of this and here also center point. Finish sketch and here we'll take whole command. So the whole profiles will be selected here. Now here we don't want a simple hole, we want a tapped hole. Okay, no seat, a flat hole will be this and here we'll take isometric and in isometric we'll take dia 15. Okay, this is through, we will give a dimension here. So the dimension here will be of 30 mm. From top view this will be more clear, so it will be till the center point. Now press OK, go to home. Okay, so this profile is made. Now we are going to make a supporting profile at bottom. Go to part 2, here we have a supporting profile. Go to part 3. Now here take the XY plane, go to create sketch and here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, go to project geometry, project this line, project this and here project this. Okay, now go to line. We'll start from this point till this. Okay, and from here till this point and till this bottom. From this bottom we'll attach this top bottom and till this point and join here. Okay, escape. Now here you can see this line is extended to join till this point. Now select both the yellow profiles, make them construction. Select this, make it construction. Select this profile, make it construction. Select these profiles here, make them construction. This also, make it construction. Okay, small profile also construction geometry. Go to 3D model, take extrude and here we will take a symmetric extrude and the distance will be of 10 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shade with edges. So you can see the joining profile. Now press OK. When I rotate this profile, so this will be from bottom. Okay. Now at last go to fillet. Take a fillet radius of 10. Go to edge selection. Select this edge and select this edge. Okay. Rotate. Give the radius as bottom also. Select here and select here. Okay, now press OK. Now here go to defaults and we will define the canary color, go to front view. So this will be the final profile. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a complex 3D CAD models in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.